morning one. There's still mosquitoes. This looks fun. Oh my gosh. Maybe we should have called you Wild Bill. We've been going uphill for like a mile. It's been pretty steep, like some rock stairs and root ledges and just climbing up stuff. So I keep having to stop every now and then to catch my breath. And when the mosquitoes find me, I move on. And yes, I'm wearing my hat sideways so that I can look up, and because my pack is too big in the back to wear it backwards. And it's just getting annoying to keep taking it off and on. And I have my bug hat somewhere on me because you can probably see them just swarming. They're everywhere, which means it's time to start moving again. But look at all this, it's beautiful. Behind me is Rainbow Lake, and I think we're gonna camp at one of the campsites on this beautiful body of water. Rainbow Lake. This is what you would think a black fly would look like, right? But no, the black flies that everybody talks about up here are actually these tiny little gnats. I don't even know what to say about it. I wonder if these things bite. They haven't bitten me yet, and hopefully they won't. Ew.